YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Teflon Jones, aka Teflon behind the lens, man. Thanks for tuning in, subscribing, all that good stuff, man. Today's vlog, I'm gonna show y'all, man. I bought something that I've been wanting to buy for a long time. So, y'all help me welcome my new baby. This. There it goes. The Honda 150. Yeah. That's the new baby right there, so definitely excited for it. It's going down, it's going down. Here it go, man, taking the baby home.
Gonna go riding today?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little riding. Before it rain.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain today,
yeah, it's supposed to rain like 9 days after.
Yeah, man. I said, dang.
Ridiculous, yeah.
Yeah, so man, y'all shot with Iron Horse Motorcycles, man, here in Monroe, North Carolina. So y'all do that. Boys will get you right, man. They got me right, so let's do that. Shout out to the bro.
Just drop it down a little.
Boy, this truck horrible. I gotta get one of these. Shout out to my boy, man, came through.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah.
I might need to it straightened up just a tad. Just gonna have a little bit of a gap. I don't want to get the wheel stuck.
Straps over there? Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, that should be good right there.
I'll come back some more if you need to.
Yeah, you can go back a little bit more if you want. So I'm just got the running. Just slap this thing on there. That's good.
Down. Yep. The clutch a little different, that's why.
Oh, it's a little different?
Yeah.
So I gotta let off a little bit?
Yeah, you might have to get used to that one, because I don't know how that one is. You might have to play with it a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Let's try. How many selling their souls? How many do it from hard? They tryna get me involved. They tryna put me on bars. I'm in the back of the bus. I gotta do it for God. I'm going LeBron in the paint. I'm coming for all the above. I'm with the dogs and we back in the stew, huh? Thought that you knew, huh? I'm with the dogs, yeah. What you gonna do?
Play with the sticks, yeah. Die in the streets. Cook at that bro with the team. They got a feast, yeah. I made that beat go bang. I couldn't choose the grain. I had to make my lane. How many?
Give me my money. Give me my money, need it. Give me my money. Give me my money, need it. Give me my money. Give me my money, need it. Give me my money. Money, give me my money, need it.
Oh, dang, that's a stick up, boy. We running around here, man. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, y'all thought we was done?
You almost at it, cuz. So yeah. So you should just go. I mean, y'all gotta see it all, man. Y'all gotta see the progress.
Yeah, gotta see the progress.
Gotta see the progress.
Second time on the bike.
First kick. How you liking it so far, though?
I love it. I love it. Like it's the hardest part for me right here. That bit different. Practice, little practice. I get that. Ain't that. All right, put it in down. Go.
Okay then, bro, got on a little bit. Getting a little used to it. Killing it for a second time riding though. Yeah. Yeah. I think he was good before that.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Yeah. Let's see how that jump feel. That's it. That's legit.
That's on nice.
That's legit, bro.
Yeah, he about to ride on the 150. This the pro right here.
I ain't no pro cuz.
This the pro.
Yeah. You gotta cut out my first stalls or two, man.
Yeah. Yeah. He about to show me how to ride.
Oh yeah, it's on bar though. Told you.
Man, yeah, you know, even pros mess up, man. So hey.
You know?
He said his first time riding a 152? Yeah.
First time.
Yeah, so. Oh yeah, you ready? Yeah. That thing sound good. Alright.
Just don't like that.
Yeah. Well, that thing ready now.
That thing ready, cuz. That 150 already.
Yeah, so I just did some riding. Ooh, boy, this baby fast. See me out here sweat. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun on this. About to order my helmets and stuff like that, cause you already know safety first. And shoot, man, we're gonna do some riding soon. But yeah, it's my baby right here, man. Stay on the lookout for more videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Go ahead. If you want 50th game, definitely comment. If you got something to say about this that's not good, you already know what to do, man. I don't even fly over here. But anyway, it's your boy Teflon Jones, Teflon behind the lens, man. And I'm out.
Yes, I am a dog with these diamonds on my collar, and that's why I got your girl head banging, so they calling me Nirvana. No, I'm not her daddy, but she calling me her papa. Touchdown.